In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to double outline text here in Canva. So if we take a look at the outline on this text, this is pretty thin. Now to get this up or to use this is pretty simple. All we have to do is click onto our text that we want to add the effects to, come to effects just here, and then we have this outline. Now we can play around with the color as well. Right now this is on black, but you can change this to any color that you want as well. And we can play around with the thickness. Now as you can see, we can actually get this pretty thick, but you may want this even thicker and you may want to double this. So there's a little workaround that we can do. First off, we want a blank page like this, and then we're just going to copy and paste that text right onto the canvas like that. Then from here, we're going to use a Canva Pro feature, which is the transparent background when downloading. So if we click on share, then we come to download, we're going to change this to PNG and we're going to click on transparent. Now we know this is a Canva Pro feature because it has that little crown icon. Now we're going to choose the right page. This is page number 3. We're going to click download and then we're going to upload this back into Canva. So if we come to the upload section, if we just take this and drag it into there, and now let's go ahead and add this onto a blank canvas just like that, because now what we can do is just crop and make this bigger. So let's just do it like that and like this, and let's just quickly center this as well, because now we can do another effect. So we already have this outline on the text as big as we could get it, but now if we come to edit, then if we come down to shadows and use glow, we can make this even thicker. Now that's on the wrong image, so let's do that again. Let's go back, let's click onto there and let's click on glow. Now we can see it looks a little bit different because we have to play around with the features. So we have the intensity here, we're going to put that all of the way up. We're going to put all of the blur all the way down. We're going to make sure it's the same color just here, which is black, and then we can play around with that size, and as we can see, that outline is going to double and get really, really thick, just like that. So that's just how simple it is to double outline text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.